Hello students. Now as we have started simplification of numerical expressions, now we proceed one step further. That is, we will discuss about the use of brackets. As according to De Maas rule, which operation we perform first in an expression, in a numerical expression? If there is addition, if there is subtraction, if there is multiplication, if there is division, what we follow, how we proceed? We follow the De Maas rule. First we do division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Now, if in an expression brackets are there, then what we do? Brackets change the order in which the operations are carried out. If in a mathematical expression brackets are given, it changes out the order in which the operations are carried out. We first solve brackets before any other operation. That means if in an expression a bracket is being given, then before applying De Maas rule, first we will operate the bracket. Now there are three types of brackets. What are they? Small brackets, it's written in this form. Curly bracket, it's written in this form. And square bracket, it is in this form. I think in the computer keyboard you see all these three types of brackets, and in the mobile also it is there. It is called as the small bracket. This one is called as the curly bracket, and the third one is called as the square bracket. Okay. Now let us understand more about these brackets. Now, as we have learned about the three types of brackets, that is small bracket, curly bracket, and square bracket. Now, in any simplification problem, if there are three brackets, we solve small bracket first. When the expression in the small bracket has been solved, curly bracket is solved, and in the last we solve the square bracket. Okay. Now, if in your expression all the three brackets are there, then we do which one? For example, I am showing you. First, we will operate what? The operation which is inside the small bracket. Okay. Then we will calculate whatever expressions, that means whatever operations are there inside the curly bracket, and then we will calculate whatever is there inside the, whatever operations are there inside the square bracket. It will be more clearer to you when I solve 2 to 3 examples. Okay. Let us start the exercise 2.10 question number 2, and I will solve 3 of the problems. You see how I am solving it. I will be explaining you and I am solving. You just see and try to do the rest of the sums accordingly. Now exercise 2.10, simplify the following. A and B I am solving it. Okay. So very easy. We are going to solve in this way. For example, 8 into 7 minus 4. So what we have to do, if bracket is there, then first we will solve whatever operation is there inside the bracket. Okay. So write down the question first in the same form, then you will put equals to sign. Okay. Now 8 into 7 minus 4, how much it is? 3. 8 into 3, which is equal to 24. You got the answer? Similarly here, B1 I am solving. 19 into 10 divided, bracket closed, and then divided by 19. So whenever an expression is in this form, first we will operate whatever is inside the bracket. Now 19 into 10, how much it is? First you write the expression as it is. That means 19 into 10 divided by 19. Then you put equals to sign. 19 into 10, how much it is? 190. Then divided by 19. 190 divided by 19, how much it is? You can do in the rough column, or mentally also you can do. 19 tens will be 190 or not? So the answer is 10. These two are very easy. I think it's very clear to you. Now let us solve more sums. Now let us solve H1. Okay. 42 divided by 7 into 18 plus. I think by solving these sums will be clearer to you. 42 divided by 7, first write the question as it is. Okay. Now put equals to sign. Now which operation will be first done? The whatever operation is there inside the bracket. 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. Now 42 divided by 7 into 21. Now here we apply the De Maas rule. First, which operation has to be performed? Division. 42 divided by 7, it will be 6 into 21. And this you can do it mentally, or you can do it in the rough column. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So what answer I got? I got 126. Now the I1. First write down whatever is given in the sum. Let me write down the same thing. then put equals to sign. First what we are going to do, we will solve the operation which is there inside the small bracket. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 it is 10, 10 multiplied by 28, so it becomes 280. Okay. Now is it clear how to do? When bracket is there, we will perform the whatever operation is there inside the bracket, and then we will follow what the DMAS. Now let us solve how to solve. I am explaining how to solve an expression of this term. This sum is given in the example, I think. So let us solve let us see how we are going to solve it. First square bracket is there. Inside the square bracket it is 5 into, then curly bracket starts, 12 divided by in the small bracket it is 15 minus 9, small bracket close, plus 2, then curly bracket close, then square bracket close. So in the first step what we are going to do is, we write the same thing in the first. Let me write down equals divided. First we will operate whatever is there in the small bracket, 15 minus 9. So what it will be? It will be 6. Then I close the curly bracket and then I close the square bracket. Okay. In the first step what we have done, I have solved this operation. That means whatever is inside the small bracket, 15 minus 9. Okay. Now in the next step what I have to do, I have now inside the whatever expression is there or whatever operations are there inside the curly bracket, that I have to solve. So I will write 5 into. Now here what I am, again I have to apply DMAS rule here. 12 divided by, start the curly bracket, 12 divided by 6 it will be 2, 2 plus 2, curly bracket close, then square bracket close. Then put equals to sign, start the square bracket, 5 into 2 plus 2 what it is? It is 4. Close the square bracket and then 5 4's our answer is 20. Got it or not? Okay. First what, in the first step what I have done, I have removed this small bracket. That means whatever operation is there, I got 15 minus 9, 6. So this I got 6. Okay. Now it is 12 divided by 6 plus 2. Okay. Here I will follow DMAS rule. That means first I have divided 12 divided by 6, which comes 2. 2 plus 2. Okay. I have written it is in the curly bracket. And then I close the square bracket. Then first I have to evaluate this one, the curly bracket. So it becomes 5 into 4 and then 5 4's our answer is 20. Okay. In this way we have to proceed when small bracket is also there, curly bracket is also there and square bracket is also there. First we will evaluate whatever operation is there inside the small bracket. Then we will evaluate whatever is inside there in the curly bracket, and then we will evaluate whatever is there inside the square bracket. Okay. Whatever sums I have solved in the board, that I will be giving you as homework. Do those sums in your classwork.